Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of hiding the stories from a specific contact in Telegram. If you wish to keep your stories feed clutter-free or simply want to hide the stories from a particular contact, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram. Make sure you have the official version of Telegram installed on your device. Locate the Telegram app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Enter your phone number and follow the verification process to access your Telegram account. Step 3. Once you're logged in, the Stories bar will appear at the top of the screen. This bar displays the stories posted by your contacts. Step 4. Find the contact whose stories you want to hide. Tap and hold on their story in the Stories bar. A menu will appear with different options. Step 5. Tap on Hide Stories to hide the stories from that specific contact. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to hide the stories from a specific contact in Telegram. By hiding stories, you can customize your stories feed and only view the content that interests you the most. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.